Go.
So this is the last Magikarp I should need right there to be able to get my Gyarados. So if this guy right here is it, I'll be evolving here momentarily, folks. Here it is. Boom, that's over 400. Here it comes. And this moment has happened. Look at that, 402. There it is. Yay. Woohoo. We'll do it at the house. Boom. Cool. So I have waited a long time to get a Gyarados. It takes 400 Magikarp candy. You can see we got it there. So this is Gyarados' evolution. Here we go. Well, all right, let me do this. It wants to do sound. Sorry, guys. Here we go. So, okay. Alright, here's my Gyarados. Ready? Gyarados evolution. 400 Magikarp candy. You watching? There goes. There goes. Waited a long time for this. Yay! Very cool. There he is. Boom. Whoa. 22-23.
Star Red.
Outrage. Dragon Tail. Woohoo! Awesome. He's my buddy. So we're going to see how he praises. Appraisal. He does when we check out your Gyarados. Overall, your Gyarados is really strong. That's my high. Its best quality is its attack. Ooh, I'm glad to hear that. Its stats are best I've ever seen. No doubt about it. Woohoo! And he's huge. That's the best I could get. This is the best Gyarados you can get for Yellow Team. Cool.
You have to put him on every gym in the world.